In this video, I'll show you how to use the top 10 applications to make money online. You may start earning money utilizing the various methods I demonstrate here on the channel without a computer thanks to the video I made showing you how to accomplish it with just your phone. As they are all completely free, I'll show you everything you need to do to get money from each of these apps. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. The name of the first app is Honeygain. You may start making money with this app by just creating an account, and you'll start getting paid at the end of each and every month. You're not obligated to carry out any task or do anything. If you're wondering how that's even possible, it's because the app tracks how you interact with particular adverts from the various companies by running a background process on your phone. Don't worry, these advertisements will simply track how you react to other commercials and won't continue to gather information on you. It will sell that information about your interactions with adverts to other companies so that they can produce advertisements for you that are more relevant to you. On their website, you can see that the typical income is $55 a month. Obviously, this depends on how often you use it. A minimum of $19 and a maximum of $184 can be earned each month. If you don't go all in, I'd guess that you'll make an average of $55 every month using this app. However, it also depends on how many phones you can plan to use it on. The money can surely help you pay off some credit cards or current past due debts, even though it won't make your life easier. The name of the second app is Clip Claps. You can earn a certain amount of money by watching a film all the way through, which is how this system operates. You can withdraw the money and convert it to real cash once you reach a specific level. You won't receive a big payment from this website. You will receive between $1 and $5 for each hour that you utilize it, and it has received some quite favorable reviews. That illustrates how frequently it is utilized. They continue to compensate you for viewing social media though. The name of the third app is User Feel. With this app, businesses pay you to test out their websites and other applications. It pays a respectable sum of money. If the hourly wage at your current employment is less than $30, it might be worthwhile for you to use this app. You participate in these tests by visiting other people's websites, using their apps, taking a few quick surveys, looking for errors on other people's website, and rating adverts. To sign up and start earning money, just go to their website or app and click the Get Paid to Test button. The company's website states, "Become a tester," and earn between $3 and $30 every test. Each test can be finished on a computer, tablet, or smartphone and lasts 5 to 60 minutes. To learn what your clients want from a tester, read the guidelines below and watch the example video. It's a plus that this website compensates minors in the form of Amazon gift cards, so you don't have to be 18 to use it or utilize the app to get paid. You can visit this website and take several tests if you're under 18 and only have a phone, unable to convince a parent or guardian to open a bank account, PayPal account, or other forms of account for you. You can pass up to 5 or 6 tests each day and earn rewards in the form of Amazon gift cards, so you don't need to cash out. The Money app is the name of the fourth app. This app rewards you for accomplishing particular tasks and has a very high rating on the App Store. This software requests that you play through a certain number of stages in return for $5 each time in order to try out unreleased video games. You are given tasks by developers of the games or applications to find defects in them, and if you are successful, they will pay you. This software will reward you with coins when you reach a certain threshold, which you can later trade for actual money. This software will typically pay you up to $10 per day for doing this. The only way to use this website's app to withdraw money is through PayPal, which is disadvantaged. If you are under 18 or don't have a PayPal account, you'll need to find someone who can help you. The name of the sixth app is FOA. This app is great because it gives you rewards for something you probably already do, taking pictures. Instead of taking pictures of products and uploading them on Instagram where you are not paid, you can easily sell them to FOAP. This website will pay you up to $25 for each image or video you submit if you have an especially gifted eye for photography. If you're an expert photographer, you may accept missions inside the app where companies pay the app for a specific type of photo. And if you can shoot that photo, they'll pay you very much for those images or videos. The sixth app on the list is Dash. You can get paid to do internet shopping, which is something you already do. Thanks to the way this program works, think about ordering a $50 t-shirt online. The $50 you spend on the t-shirt will be gone, but Dash will give you 10% cashback if you buy the same shirt from them. By using Dash, you were able to get the same t-shirt for $45 rather than $50. The company selling the t-shirt gives Dash an affiliate link, and every time you make a purchase using that connection, Dash gets paid a percentage. Similar to how Dash receives a $10 discount from the store on a $50 t-shirt. When you buy the t-shirt, Dash gives you a 5% discount and keeps half of the price while giving you the other half. Seventh on the list is Google Opinion Rewards. You've probably heard that some internet surveys offer meager or no compensation. Google Opinion Rewards is the name of this Google program, and if you know anything about Google, you already know they are reliable. This software has 158,000 5-star reviews on the App Store alone, proving how popular it is among users. Each poll costs $1 and takes on average 20 seconds to complete. According to the Google website, you may make $120 an hour if you can finish 2 surveys a minute. The 8th application is called Field Agent. Companies will pay you to use this app, and they'll send you to retail locations as a customer to see how their products are displayed. You're going to go shopping at a grocery store and act like a customer to see how the merchandise is arranged on the shelves. You will receive payment for photographing the event, reporting it to the company, and documenting it. You might think this is unimportant, yet companies spend tens of thousands of dollars to locate their product on specific shelves where buyers are more likely to buy them. If they aren't placed on those particular shelves, they are losing a lot of money, which is where field agents come in. They'll pay you to go to the grocery stores on their behalf and look at how their goods are stocked. The app is compatible with Mission. A typical task takes 5 to 10 minutes and pays $5 to $15. If you travel to a crowded location like a mall, you'll probably have a number of tasks you can finish at once. TaskRabbit is the 9th application. Users of this app can generate yearly incomes of over 6 figures. What does TaskRabbit actually do? To find someone to fix anything you need fixed around the house, such as the plumbing or other similar items, you can just search TaskRabbit. If you want a list of some of those jobs, they include yard work, furniture assembly, house repairs, moving assistance, cleaning, installation, and lifting. You may find help with all of these chores inside of this software. If you are capable of completing any of these duties, you can add your name to the list. To do these jobs, they pay TaskRabbit users a lot of money. Given that the average hourly rate on TaskRabbit is over $80, using this program full-time might potentially earn you more than 6 figures. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoy this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming video and I'll see you there.